Metro Vancouver's housing market started off slower than normal, but it has heated up dramatically with different metrics of pricing having increased for 4, 5, and 6 consecutive months. We anticipated housing prices to increase by about 2% over the course of this year, and just in the first 6 months alone, we are up 6%. In this video, I'm going to do a very brief rundown of the different numbers from the real estate stats over the last month of May 2023 and what you can expect to happen in the coming months in the real estate industry. Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan Lerner with the Vancouver Life Real Estate Group, and we help our clients buy, sell, and invest in the Greater Vancouver area and throughout the province. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people wanting to find out more and get some help in terms of what their next step should be. So give us a call, email us, send us a message, schedule a Zoom call with us, info down below this video, and let's dive into what it is that you're looking for. All right, let's dive into the numbers. Sales volume. We increased for 4 consecutive months in a row, and we just hit a 13-month high, the highest sales volume that we've had in 13 months, which is very interesting because 13 months ago, that's when interest rates were about 1.5%. And yet we are now at the same sales volume as we were then with today's current interest rates being at 5.5%. New listings are coming, and they actually came in at a 1-year high for new listings that came to market. However, we are still at over 20% low compared to our 10-year average for this current month of the year. New listings are coming to market, which is exactly what we need. However, it is not quite enough. New listings for the month of May was actually a 12-month high. So we saw the most number of new listings that we've seen come in a month to market in a 12-month window just last month. However, it's just not enough. Like, our inventory still stood at below 9,000 at the end of the month. So that is further increasing our inventory record that we had 4 months in a row was an all-time record in terms of units for sale below 9,000. Then we hit it in the month of April, and then we hit it again. Now it's the 6th consecutive month of below 9,000. Now it looks like the month of June, we might actually be over 9,000, which would be fantastic, but it's just not quite enough as our overall inventory levels are still over 20% below what our 10-year averages are for this current time of the year. The sales to active listings ratio, which is an indicator of where prices are going to go, jumped up over 7% last month, and we are now sitting at nearly a 39% sales to active listings ratio, which is far, far, far into a seller's market, which is very interesting because just 4 or 5 months ago, we were nearly in a buyer's market. We were at the bottom end of a balanced market, nearing a buyer's market, and now we've completely shifted over a night and day deep into a seller's market. As a result, what we're seeing is home prices are continuing to increase. The days on market for a property to be for sale is reducing. 4 months ago, we were at 30 days was the average to be able to sell a home. We were at last month, the month of April, we were sitting at 11 days on market, and now we would drop that another down 2 days to 9 days on market is the average for a home. So if you want to buy something, you must be fast. And as soon as you see something come live, you got to be booking those times in. And what's happening, that's also creating more competition. Majority of new properties that are coming onto market right now, they are holding offers, meaning that they're going to be doing open houses for the week, and then you're putting an offering on a property on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of the following week. And that's how fast the majority of properties are going. The HPI price is just 5.5% below the all-time peak. And now the thing about that is the home price index lags about 3 to 6 months behind what is actually happening in the market in the median and average prices. So median average prices, they were up about $110,000 for median price and up $145,000 since December. And both of those are just sitting 2% below the all-time peaks that we saw last year. So what's going to happen? Well, at this rate, if we keep on going, prices are going to continue to go up, especially as supply continues to get eaten up as buyer demand is so strong. Now, we also have the Bank of Canada is going to be doing their next interest rate announcement on Wednesday, June 7th. And at this point, I believe that they are going to hold rates despite GDP is up, jobs are up, real estate prices are up. I think there's also a massive amount of debt that is holding people on, and they're kind of on edge as well. So you have both sides pulling of not wanting interest rates to go up, but yet at the same time, the economy and Bank of Canada kind of needs interest rates to go up to be able to combat this. So at this point in time, I think my prediction, my forecast is that the Bank of Canada will hold interest rates, and maybe at the next announcement or the announcement after that, we're probably going to be looking at a 1/4 point increase. But I mean, time will tell. Things can happen fast, so we'll see. At least that's kind of what it seems like the current projection is at this point. So if you are out there and if you are trying to buy and you have not been prepared on what this looks like in terms of looking at the resale market and how you need to prepare, what you need to have in place and what to expect, then please give us a call, text, schedule that Zoom call. All the links down below this video here, and reach out and let us describe what happens through this process. And we've helped so many people go through this over the last few years. And we want to be able to help, encourage, and educate you on that process and what it looks like so that you are prepared and that you can actually win and get the property that you want to be able to move into. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. So if you're looking to buy in the next 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us at my info down below this video, and we'll help you to make this process as smooth as possible and really educate you and help ensure that you are fully prepared to be able to jump into the market when you are ready and to be able to maximize and be able to win when you finally submit that offer.